Omushahara twari wakanu shilingi 200 kilo muti. Toro berete wanafunzi akoleji litukulia payment twakanu 200.
Right. Basi bano mwanchwa omuligereria nabo mutegereri Radio Vuna 102.0 FM twakwariganire sana se chinga kiechigana indekero nanyoreri baga aliyogosanga no murayo yo mogaiga kurwa se orokongorwa gusi umwalimu Abel nacho kutomanyia mangi goro yae na ndinero mu director o Banana Resort atomanye ngayi atarire ayarule mpaka lero aikire gatokare kunyara ko batugosanga nkwana monere kukwarigania nyara ko bagotobwatia gutakera omochakano goika omwelio. Karibu sana.
Karibu
sana Radio Vuna.
Karibu sana Brian.
Yes.
On behalf of Radio Vuna.
All right.
Yes.
Karibu sana kero tokonyara libagali okugomanya bya na andake kuraibo bisi kurwa sole buna gwatalira sobugimobo ase faida yo mategereria ndake umumanyinga aya ningo na inde ngaiga kwaibole tukenyoro ward constituency county
njini wanguru kwa Abel Muranga Nyamwega na ibule twa ali sub location ya Liangabi kutoka kere location ibe no ward nyeri bari chache aso mwaka wa ya mutimiki andana 50 no manene wa banyagosira Eunice Muranga na Samson Nyamwega Muranga toka turabana babere ne mwana mitoko bwatia korokwa Dan Nyamwega lakini ndeka we party enda mwanasi ndani yake my young brother then ya tano ni sana mwaka kaibanga tulenda vita kaleta wani kwa support lakini in huda kinga kia yospi tukabeki skuru tuwasoma.
Okay.
Adalide skuru primary ya West Dia mwaka bwegwe mwanchi sana mwana kimiki andana ngaronge tano mwana itani
1967.
Ngakora CPE ngakelia 1974. Ngako marembe nyama West Dia we were the pioneers to achagetia. Because the run at the maxima yakapsa kumira to a bigger school. West Dia mixed second school. We were the pioneers 1975.
Right. All na kego to try kabwa se secondary. Bono alia se kenyoro na kwa ibole tuwe ati kwenta kana at the age of 3. Tima iteka roko reflect back koko kina bono ura se school yogoro so. What were the challenges na kiyobogi mabwa lenga se chinga kecho?
Chinga kiyobogi mabwa lenga wakongu sana. Nagara school na so mata gere kilomita ibere kuruka. Na kilomita chibere nga kelia noko minyoka pake school. Lunch yo minyoka mbakanka. Naendo ira nenga kiende na babu kanka ngani lunch. Kwanyora tiraro wasibwa abantu mugondo bale ikiora ikere none rongoli no boro makyogo kuna naende wacha ke sabali so challenges is yango chinkong sana timati abana wenga ke osemba survive because one manyange nga kichi kilometers chibere chos to kominyoka barefooted ikoro to tikeyo ikoro to tikeyo no bokendo war wacha karato ko henda chesi chama bilende because distance to nyoru lakini nga kiria care ya lengere bune ya wono ya ntolende ta abana buna liga na bokendo boro begudia swenta korainga So kilomita echiwere na boku imagininga uchakire skuru inero yoka ya lengo nero ya lenge nursery school no ya lenge miaka isaba uchakire skuru walk over that distance kwa inana na ya lenge very serious exercise
tatu menongia leo kwa
tata lenge extension officer wa agriculture. So my two stepmothers married after the death. They were housewives. So younger than me. Commitment is a challenge.
So at this time, Kurukuana la isiege sako, especially Kimogusi, Konyora ba impress ya mangana yekisem.
Everybody was informed. Abana kwa dwalingi school. Ora tinko nyoranga nonguru kyarukiane abana balingi miaka yane ngamba balingi school batarkande school. School ngo yanda balingi. Oyomo yani era tegeme background. Lakini ende abana kwa dwalingi school. Andi school manyange kiri na nagote bikiale ngala sana.
Okay. Yeah. So some childhood memories, maybe chikosoli mwaka kosoirie.
Skuru mate na watu wariko nyoru nonya ninka. Nga kiria mauga na simikire baretram. Ale gotoru. Akwara nyoru to bekire golding amaro bana ru no wikanka. Akanda oka onkara ale lasi motora mauga ichulie. Omanye koragera. Lakini uno mwana wa skuru kawaida mkuru skuru mubwate mipira yetu akarosaidie masakara chichwale chika nairo nchiare kogwa ibinto na masakara amagoma yo mogombo bweli toke na tware kuyalinga byeto yasiba ne chingoli twarose mipira na mwana twarwa ke mipira ye para gocha kwanyara no kunyorunga gwanyoro
mutajitenze
tajitenze to gwaka kabisa mipira ye na ndenga kiende na bugwara kanya twarosire bichanga ne gali umuntu gona kumya amatobe imeno begete naye yana ya dirikuratera nayo gona kubwanga ndu neroli ngakiri ye bwana so na oto terete stage chia bwana na bochire kenga all over.
Right.
Yeah.
So ka proceed go chia secondary go teba
no then the mwaka 1975
kazi nyamagwa
SDA mixed secondary school tukaichaka kaboy miaka ibere ngakiri ngogara twale ngikaro ku KHS. So KHS ngaeta kasi bali tuwaita wake nkairu school for Kituo boys naona abereta ngakora matem alia form 4 ngakiri alengi ya East African.
That is which year?
1978. I had a third division. So I was getting a division 1, 2, 3. Lakini I wanted to proceed because I had points here coming out from 5. Kind of admission to about a private high school, Kisi Town. They are going to go progressive. Kisi Progressive High School. Oya agachire boni gase Kisi mattress na a parking in between Quickmart na Kisi mattress na school ya lengalia. Nkaba admitted yo. Lakini ndasi ninja abana bali kurumagega bande bami tona baro balenge aroro. My brother kombwati noale kinyombe chibero mwaka leta tabana batokiro bana baro basoire ga bale secondary bale above bale more than 6 mwaka na rebu kolenge bread ana alante bia bona bel wanyo de sero kia ono bo to ko burburaro na bo to kuliyo okoliye ga sero sineto nanja senda nyole okole enda bana bara ikira aso ikira so the dance ko gendra inje ko gendra high school mukamanya korun kanga yanda Nairobi ko kore bibago.
Okay. Yeah. So Goreni Maigari Itibo is a boarding school, I think. So what transition ilikuwa kabere day school ko minyokanga ogasoma mbi maragwaba.
Yeah.
Wano wajira so menyete skurume. Timeti uko onchiriyo kwa mazingira yo.
Mazingira alenga makongsa ngakeyo. Nakara wano wachire boarding. Ando ko yande ngakiri uneni ukamo uchakira inchira. Form 3 kakiyo kwa into akatore chimono chira ka discipline kara jigo so awali form 1 nonyana yake roko so form 3 wari ko kwenchuka kwenchuka ga wana kwa ngo bugima ngo kongeruole ngo ba mistreated na senior bali ba chiti school alia ande challenge wana yalengo wangu chioma thengene boarding school endo menyeto bugimubya nanga skuru tubu atia match na soko ere itibere ke tunu igoro a cliff so in say this cliff not work rusia match ogo na packet chi step chiro sometimes na go chi miss ko ira na back ora terali wa cancel there was a challenge that pakatu ariko somba match which is school na tokora selwe ndagira na tokora cleaning chi dormitory na tokora cleaning chi classroom na wanafunzi so it was a big challenge na ndende ndagira ye boarding vanto tutano we kali kanyo nege telio kake chiro mono no bukumone skuma yekere mutungi etale gwanza lakini tobwatie no option na nkalende mwaka na bwate chombe chi grade mabere ga ichire echa twale kunyi ali ono cha teyo breakfast ne rongoli rongoli ebituma lakini then all went well.
Okay. Na buku survive it.
Yeah, to survive. To akora school yetu.
All right. Yeah. So at this level ye secondary.
Yeah.
Timeti igatia bantura inyora ito mwalimu gosomonta in the society who mentored you.
Akara to arrange school. To achagete nyama West DA. To abata balde mweke jero wankali. Lakini abu nkonyora mono no mwalimu twarikoroka David Mondo Mesa na Livingstone anyona nyabia Mesa alikuwa somi history na Kiswahili na anyona alikuwa somia CRE anta balenge informed ba alikuwa prepared kako check rasmi abo hata chi point tatiko so oma abara noreta ko tebia history mane Bible chi fasi abo hata ko teba so because of their cover informed, I think they motivated their abandoned to go and cover very keen ekagera igato enable na ndo tugatwara the interest tugasoma.
Okay.
Litibo the principal yetu mwaka olikoro ku Chason Yamati was a very serious disciplinarian. Skuru mwana komoro. Lakini tukakorolekana a Friday the same Monday. Mwako moro assembly kero mwanafunzi akanyagali watama etinga nero wata magoso because targoja assembly ngani magoso tai agoja unagota nalia ochaka bisimbira ngede skule ne yangina yokore bintu bitari kubwate machiko rangelia marieta taba bantobisi Marieta gara ja gorangel go rigise tetuma etinga na kun temago sande na ta jitande bube. Tukanotinga as a management ni yumondo yako manyera na teya nabo a system yako create de kwa nyoranga abantu mbaro wako report bamanyite kerege so una wasa getiaye ukagetega mwali mtakorochi kane wanafunzi mbaro spy yako report abali mu record uno monana goje desk yaye binde bino bibekire okonya ko make sure because ngakidi abana koraya watu balenge bande basaliye ibintu byo school so abari ko make sure nga order nero muntu atari ko yanda stray yoje wanda stray kwera ni kubaka kwera ni wera ini
okay
lakini nende bona ntu abantu aranga boba na watu abete very careful to gatora sama gosa hiyo
okay. So at this level maybe kwenye wachakire ko twara maroro gete whatever ndegete ko wegen tugete njembe gen tugete what were you thinking by then what tugete ko
ije krato school wale ege nada imbe no musigali
okay
yonto kia ko gara na wadima ko musigali ne likwa ko ne karaba kwa ka musigali band tukachiri muno jisho kwanyara wake band India kabisa wako match wale in uniform wale well coordinated that is what I admired the most and I thought in one moment ninda lakini ende incident alina lenga kaka na ende na chete interview ya fiscal nganyarango kugurukwane inga kiriya balenga verify baka kugulika sanyi nso kulirelibo wone ke sanyi nyanya gatoka kire flat katia na bwana to kuguruinse etingiro kire netense katia ga chaigoraka mutu akagenda inse wono inche kule flat iga we toka
you disqualify
disqualify tinach ko yanda usigali
okay
no nigga sina jitko nyoro yobu alimu nje na expected thing ne arona atagete lakini ende kere opportunity achete I took it up
okay yeah so mna kwa kule skuru kwa tawo nungwa chete Nairobi
kana Nairobi nkavase kasi ni ane alengo
that is now 1980s
1979
1979
ga Nairobi kongo na kuligia ebi barua gweta nyore anko ya nende ya ku sam nyambweke aga connect go chia asomo ako kwa Chris Bichage alenge KBCU ngawe ke barua lakini ke barua ke kongu yoko bogolia chikunia mogongo ando tari ko timoka chikurwe gorogo igoro chigo slide chiro serie slide kozi monta tagwe tueka kuru igoro aikensa achi asoniru chikobe kwa chibogi the bodies chi train ko ire Mombasa for export wono omuganyire temesa abunego slide yego ika eyendete chiche yetu omechi wunse wono omurobere tabunego ika no lera ini kwa bekire ireko kwa minyoganero boka isiko kwa yiruta training naende kwa irana yasi arengi very difficult nga yakora matukata tulitukulia gatatu oyo ole ko mbekere egunie inanya ole to mukamba akayedutera bobe ngonga ya majiko ngumisa kayetugutainse ngonya na lengo monena kega lengo monena kumbwa kangane satina mubwade como de mondoro muchinga oda de kongumisa ene gazi amantaka bibi ngabwa toke gazi yo na ine gazi okora the whole day kurumambi mpaka morogoba waka no 20 shillings so ngali kiruma tukata tu oka nga chali tukulia payment nga go ma 60 shillings 60 ni dijikola dikende nga jigole sa timbali nga igasi na korona yeri dangerous na ande imagine eji 60 shillings sa tiyengo gora sa tiebi kire ekerole me from Tomboya Street ya shop taliye mitumba
yes
long as 60 shillings that time we afford again to get very expensive now because the equivalent shirt one you will get it 1,500 to 2,000 and in 60 shillings kagole shirt you gatige gasi you ndarengere elinga ngingo cyane kerege gasi yengo kora 20 shillings the whole day and morgoba na kaneso muni e bus paka sinaruete manana amenyeta kangeni abo no goja pake town no just keep isu yerma atangirewes na ndeni na morogo orange turaragira tanchi yargo kwa gande Jivanji Gardens kwana kotegera abantu bakora andi kwana kotegera mariogi gabu wakenderera chinse cyara kwa ira negas kere tiyo kwali it is a lunch break to yo kutimukanga break time lakini nothing to eat kibasi ejiga cha Kenya bus to Arkulina one ga tukangaini na le kwa kane fair kongoje town monto ishole banta bange bare soera mutwe ya bwate double do wekero yonde maya wamuna aliniriga naso mutwa onko etenche namigire nagenda magegapi achika weranga no murango nana ari gutaka guikaransa mbaize gwikeruza bwe afa
ono kwa wiru muchiwachi
nganyora lirie conduct ko chiko ikanga ga because na jagete bono on job seeking. That's what we are doing. Wanyama kwa rure kangen wikire Westlands a conductor ikire angena sole group siasi ni ega ali go tende stage yeyo osugete nasu katiko akana wana anaisire wika na walk na ke barua so then kabua toke gajiga dana gajiera nkong the best thing nda kora amauga na bwate bese ndekiyo yozina ro mugaka gato bekire twatara na dera nkoira na gusi ne ndende mama uga time yenyo sinko butaga gokoranga ne pound onko genda chinsi chuna energy yons pinyebeke mugondo asengo ja kanyaro mushara nkuri omonge wa mauga ngachicha gabule mwaga kango muraba ina chakire no yakona gondiscourage na korete school na enda mago ya usingo gaga azane adabano ima etegas mundo teyoko ewe itega anyoro muga konde olenge my cousin olenga kora osonge creamery onda muruta roje naro jabantu bakona kucholi chifomu cyo kuli kubwali kayanda bosongo ngaicholi fomu iyo ekagenda nchenkeba nebire mitinja ite tatene njakanya ali ruga liachira ngote gonga na iri rubu alimu untrained teacher asakuru Kitui. I didn't know this Kitui. Ngarun kalene ga Nairobi asema ekasi ni na mete ngobuli Kitui ni yiye onte bia sere kuji ata nkova kambeke bus stage and country bus that's the way Kitui edono era kama nyetekizia ndanga so kwa irwave mache tayo araba kuweka so majale kongo Kitui wana ngo so bizi yando kero mutuane na mache esere roro wetanitika kuchio ese roro ngumitinga anga inguchia ekende ko gawali ruga nkairwa sakor kunga Kitui East dani wako yorukanga mutito wando skulu ya rekord kuyonye primary ngachakero January 1980 kuno mwali mantrend it was very difficult in life. Very, very difficult. Eko gara na ruete. Timbwati pesa, timbwati anything. Obiyanga ikonga nyaraba mbabande. Mambi ne kete kuchiko report school ne kete butuku. Ngakarabisho no muntu twamanyana te basi me ngarara mwaye mambi akande to hotel. My first time in hotel na nyorete eturungi yecha ya machani ekone wonerongo ri ebitu. Nga kumi Kevin ngoni wiriji hotel. Ada anjero ngoli tingo ni hotel eturungi ndani. Kutoka na kunyunga ngare group ya bamuraba go eteskoiga. Konyoro mungwano yonte bringa bagusimbara bali getwe yakielia na liomo ya so to bugambi kigima na kwatege ntaro gete 10% recruitment ya bana balenge ngaka babeka bagachake gasyo kubwate abantu ibande wono rende kuchkulira linko romo nto ya mo mati na ya kwa kizindi wale kaminyoka isuko nga murangirire tatu asomete na rate aba murabu na mtu wa manendo unaba kusitu alenge distance abangeta support sana ekogera 1980 nalienchara yake tena tana gocha kubiri paka wono Kenya. It was the first time Yellow Maize have donated to Kenya. Yare kurukunga nenda agera chombe chiko wali America chikolia lakini ila tutumiru abantu gacha kuli and one arrangement ya lenga nelinga abantu batanga bari ko safu dendagera abakolega asibe serikali baruwete isiko ya Gitui kuzo barabona mbago access kende gyonziga indu twariko gendo dio kwaegwa masie ngano kwaegwa masie abere yo kuruga interview enchara ya lenge my friend otanyole ndagera my first time nanyotenga kire buche lige bwa to muliro bago sambenya so mondo gwargo yanda mbuli ya lenge very cheap wasambirwa kanyama kabutoranwa kwaligoka kwani na soda jo inchi ya lenge gido wana kana so school timbwa timushara kende tike bamura sana amenya tana ko walk very early in the morning danyo lenge ndukia kwa malinga kino yomura karolenge purpose and the mangoes na wana ale kote wana bane school na chipo nganje te sana lakini wana ganga ole na seito abana bandetera. I can remember one day abana bandetete within 20 and tineka kuchirichonse chinde chikasalika because asalia wataliberera got over within 2 days ya alire paka wana ngacha ko by duty alibata kete ko ndetera baimugia mako go wonsipi na bakiro mondo litukulia ya koleta nchicha kusalika by the thing na jinga jetera kintu kama tenga it was a livelihood yoko survival yobo kong okolie popo wako ralituko for 7 months mosharo tai kero mosharo chitogocha wacha lump sum na kora shopping kali nyumba yane gacha kobugima ande dibono guju chaga konara environment area ngakiri ntoka twari jibachi ariko kwa kamba nasiminchi alengo lakini ndo naona alego kote wanara atomiru ubusirimo ne bituma ne chingende yariko kwa kamba eko iro sino mutinyo omugima kaje ko ikagituye na Gitui one was very far kurwase asinalenga asa yalenga atishibwambe chikali chikasoka kuruma mambyange chibasi bera yamwe alikuwa kumurembo yende alikuwa kumalaika yamekana Mombasa yende acha Nairobi saa 11 cha mambi go kwenye miss the whole day tokonyora kali okurusio na bwa sayo na balenge paka wocha wika Kitui town kuruime denga buna kuruga naero so toka na mago Igo bona okwira na nyomba kwa nyorgoboka na ira na bolero rale oganye mambi na morogo babo igo umishie basi iko Nairobi baka mambiende igo kwa nyoru so ikagende interview chigaika abantu bakanda college ngakora interview ane ngakora ngaba satisfied because after nanya to mushara na golete radio wono ngotagara na lenge current affairs nini question jinge na jira ko bolibwa I answered literally everything agora na ende moro ba panel yar ko interview balinga bantu sita bakanyora ngara stage do kabujesi ya moro bakandange kero yo makan congratulate and the jaga go say we are going to college you impressed us yani una balinga 6 oyo manga tabanga mongera soda bonus baga tabanga kaiwa ti soda sita ngaji stoki gabu ngana ko new weekend ngoja moro ko bana we soda yana nanyi so ego jiweka 1981 June tarehe moja malieta ya bantu waire tu ya college ya gasoka abe create Daily Nation abingona gasome gazeti yo mongwano ndo ruete kitu ya ale chiduka iga kujiweta yanganyo yeta diane no ngire to college ano ngacha guminga mure college wana ndere chibaso totabuga atinga kina ade ngocha gukora mwaka tabuga ativese lakini nende ando katabuga stoko kupikia marula wiki jiga taibere ndo dio ngago liruba diana kuri liruba linga nyande fizi na bwato bwoba nenka shilingi 180 for 2 years na umushahara ilio na alikoli jibazelenge wino umushahara bu mtinyo yomo akuli 665 shillings mwalimu mtinyo 665 shillings chinkara kinende you had no choice na yugurushi cheo nyole jirojo na bongo afford basi kaduoro kama ngata college sasa ina bwata ngaka ni fizi inga kora ngata biturongo cha report ngachanka ngaja disi minchi alengo kulika liruwe likarosi de mikinyebere ngachanka lende ngata yo muyolinga iruwe college ona arule bukamba dawe college nende for 2 years and the college ngake imagine chiwa zichukwa 680 okware koyegwa chipe ibere chi uniform chirong ibere chiswenta ibere chishati ibere chitai ibere all textbooks oire all notebooks oire neji folder neji foolscap no ekebulgi okokoli kiao okolokelie bintu byao okoragira utari wakana okogwe sabuni omote every month neji tissue paper sinye every month ndo maitaka kona ntu nga banta batanga nande bo mweli maituna yabeta umushahara to arwaka no shilingi 200 kilo motie toro berete banafunzi college ditukulia payment to akanu 200 so kwa 200 that's a lot of money bus Kenya bus Kikuyu chikatang na lija chakete go koru Nairobi chiko ikakikuyu that was 19 end of 1981. So kere weekend owakane somoni baka Nairobi. So kere weekend owakanya kantale Nairobi njiko kwani my friends. Na yone shilingi ngotumia from the 200 shillings na yetu. So ogi manobo yobu alengerendo tukakora college 1983. Ngakie yo 1982 ekue kaba yo gonchora Moi notore college.
Yes.
Inje bweka na bwate radio in the dormitory to jibuno linanya to mushahara ne boom ande nche kwenye nindi ikire ngacha ne radio ne college na ande kwa alibe bete kulike casualty bwango mushahara otraji kuna juna alieto mushahara ande college stage university ana chiko jicha metenye kanegori account metenye tatu kalijiwe so na ngaga bachiri ngaki yego ikawana maganyora anyo nga ekuya be ile dima ndio kama wafungo wa kisiasa wote waachiliwe akina Nyona Moseti na the like nkai ku vijana njeta nyona nkacharuka korbolere go shout freedom dormitory ngo turaba wanafunzi wonse agora Leonard Mambo Mbotera Tangastenga askari wote wameamrishwa wakae kama raia na I hated them askari wono because later na askari ni wako terrorize abantu na ande wale very corruptive akurisiwe maki I never liked them. So it killed I was the happy man in the college inji kana wade de musikio be kire begete assembly ya just ko vera dogo dotore baredi dogo dance walk nande ke mukaso nande na ma gonchore sani na data ga askari waaminifu wamefagia wale vijangalika wote. Moi ndio anaendelea kwa ushukani. Wana ngaruara. Na manjuko severa raka dansi. Mbazo kocha kujugua. Lakini tukafumilia. Wana katochi kuruya college. I didn't like kuambiwa Moi. Because of that influence.
Yes.
Moi akamna kodekeleanga. Hakukuwa no kwananga gata gete unity aba Kenya kuba yesyo mukabira nataka bagochakanga abali bonse bakuruye college iko bako posted to their home districts nkanga one kwa ko better room your first choice out of the 3 choices home district lakini nadanga umata my home district nataka ndingoja kusi Nyamira dialenge yange Kisi Jones.
Yes.
My first choice, Kericho. My second choice, Naroko. My third choice, Kisi. I posted Kericho. Nare margo kore, na mwakora matemu. Final examinations. Oete, toeta, get result, dirigoja goja. Zoko uliruwe kuruwe college. Kuna wa selected. Maruwa sokire. You go to watch report your DO district get over post the school straight. Go to Timuka. So I posted Kericho. That was March 1983. Yeah. School ya Kurukonga Chirichira. Chirichira Fort Hanan go Kuru Muhoroni. A shortcut pare ya Rosu ya Londiani Utrimbo Kagocha Chumu. Or that way to Kericho were tame. Angana the late Dr. Robert Yoko. So school in on about the posted in Gagando. Lakini incidentally school in Gabon live for 1 week. Okay. I got not there could college in the fresh manete my rights and everything. Nanyoromo the master mogera. Dictator Tasiki Barim. In Jengamukani. That was my first staff meeting. I didn't like it. And then Kamukani on his face. Taigubia. Matukavere after the staff meeting to Ashaire, na mukane tingi njara ko to handle aga change pia ko cha skuru atari ko kwanya balimu ana ntango muntu mate kwa moso merata karaga na wana tato takitensi ande yanta kan karagi ika ichuma ngaruo no ta ichuma to akora on Monday things it gas na end of education na ngata mo so ronga mo ntore skuru editing karas da na chonge transfer wa kole nona matuko madama matuko ayaki ngimo ngerato rame tato sigeti inaru ete kole chimanye tebuna ngagyo wanga ko handle abantu and they cannot change so na mukane tinga nyora age chiri weekend so I don't want to work with him ngonye ngogendo angite osemoite so tinta kitikira ngonye tingi to mondo ose ngonye tingi tu mo so ya ka ndigere and okay na ko will come back in the afternoon ngo ikaiga nganya mo saka dara ntanga so aime na ata go just why dio ndaso unango so nganya roro siriru bali amni transfer muga kondo lengo roro bai ka asenera na ro mo editicha go skuru al komira and to ya ndo jugo ito muga ko ona ko kana no monto weji se to ya ndo jugo ito muga ko yo ya ndo skuru ya mwako itu kabuo kwa kwa chisa chabere chimbe tukaenda mpaka buoye ntararo mambi kanere school kandi kerege nduko kwa casualty kandi civil school kana none gasiane mirimo yana tukakora nkamanya ko gende school ko irali rubo kwirero magaro liru beliaye ngamwira yaye ye transfer lakini naenda singe njali ngumuchinga jena jede nga Romo debut kamwandi liobe bitawo biriko nyoro na irwi na rakode ga Singapore maso bije mweti changa mwali roli aya takwane tikende it's okay asoka nakuliyo mo debut ya mo instructions nga ngando bakirege ndo traso Africa so mo debut ko moderinga already one driver into be against to what can against ngaso kaigo onko eli teje tiko ko create meeting nga gero kwa eli he was annoyed and lakini in him got have a good reasons because tana kanya monto ko mo so mero bunenje ngaro le ngande school yin kabo for only one time eyo mugako yo ngito nero ngo madina school kwa yikira grasinya
ya kabirenga kikoro ko school
arkoro kwa Kerengeti primary school ere na settlement area saba ikoyo bale asenara koro kunyaga chu nagacho njire bere kericho ere town ere kale me ange boundary atinde beti bonandi na kericho ueta keep kelion kwa gende ime kabisa so school yaba uziba rero kanya ansakia lakini wicho nemo ya Kerengeti kwa yekire class 4 ngaye guri rube after one term na so miru no mwalimu because inje no mwadi teacher yo njibe kana ngo mu P1 mwadi teacher aringe P3 lakini ero ngo mwadi teacher so he was trained konya rochire akaiwe transfer go chia sevu wanya ya lenge akagenda omundonde school ucho ono ngaye wali rube ya acting head teacher oja bali bose balenga trained nani bali mbalenga bange tu alenga bali batano tu pero mwako ya ndo wono tukagera abantu banne wono nango mwadi teacher baba to batatu nkaboro kabo kenga for 1 year kaya rumuswatyo kamonja kamanyom so I married 1984
okay
ndiye kichana kabisa December because I had asked myself questions about marriage then I in college Charles Njonjo, Kavera Attorney General, the first Attorney General independent Kenya, married at the age of 52. Gebuli mondo tarwalete, one of 52 ngio kunyome. One njibuno mwalimu 52, ongo kole miake tatoyoka ndita ayat 55. Aidantara nyoro mwana osana nyoro mwana oyo. Nakiuja kwa somi mwana oyo na retire. Ndabuga dini kam. Ikagaranga motivated inga if I must marry onkunyomo mapema. By the time mungu ika 55 eto kenga na kodra mwana osomia wa. Tindari rolingo wakana jifisi. So kana ya tumuswa tirene nganga mamuro yotundi kumoteo. And this is the time wasi na anchakire gasi. Ngamunyo. Kama kuliye transfer nga asina nyomire kuru tinko bero. So we are nginchira no asina amenyete ngo etaiga na yende gasi.
Iga eto aito segeiri.
Oh no. Ngaliye transfer na tagetengiche aida sotik was sondo. So ngaiwe transfer kuruma paka sondo primary.
Okay.
That was 1985. May. Ngaika sondo yembe ngakole gasio. Ngakole gas very well up to 1988. 1988 my head teacher aga transfer nere. By the time I got transfer, I was his deputy.
That's no in Sondo.
Yeah, one.
School Kurukwa.
Sondo primary.
Sondo primary.
Ere yomo in Kericho. My the Sondo market. 3/4 of Sondo market is in Kericho, not in Kisumu. Kisumu garaga portion yagaka. Anga karo mo advance ya transfer de musikisi yomo gere na enda kaleto Kericho. G estate agacho. Mogero yanara njena lenge ni chacho wa agriculture, some science and agriculture. So mugondo lengo kana na remire to vete bituma bishire kuma kare bituma byoma kabungururi abana kiregendo biye kero bitumo ko byone to arako on serious and produce board ngabira baroro pakoli ke odwe ke bande kiao skuru de waje ke bande mondo tama ite binte on Friday ngapima ngagudisti ngaike skuru jenga soka in the afternoon uchanke weekend kara chamoro go ba chete meeting oya ganyi bituma bya lengo simbika zigimbiyo kubuli bali mu ire bituma yo skuru no mo deputy ira serious yobona ke ali keruna ro ko ke leta lia ali ke bintu bya skuru leta lia ando travel ira ara kongo go jwa secho ono kongo ira no Monday abali mbaonte vinga umuntu yakoteba nga atebede ngurakwa awole ndakwa yani yarengerera tikoro chibese kobe chiaye ngankwe gageju akaracha sobzi aya gagendo obzi aya ngomvoli ngakiwata ketenkwe utakatenkwe sene chibese chinsini yani nge chiri ndakete ko mu Rwanda nandi buna na tene naika ngabwata meze yenka yesuki go chiang na sale ta nyora room yoko an koimoka kamobete kiare mioro no tenga tell me I'm destroying you aka kiri ndio amagonyete aka kiri taji koiraneria activate my emotions kamurutere bungu ngamudabirgiyo mo deputy jago yanda ga so era sawo bisa team yabo so bagaja but by the time bago jicha na iru chibesa ji mo chibesa ji ndo na chikorata make sure ngabana bal kope mugondo na bagulere emepira yons netball volleyball football net ya volleyball na rings ya netball abalimu na aba involved bantebiri kiro mwalimu reference book atabu ati me subject ya bagasomali abana abagule atwa ikaranse chipench to ikaranse chipench. So this time round nkagende workshop nkagora chairs ina ambe sai na balimu kiro mwalimu akara ku prepare aikaranse kiro kia chibasa chia tigalete ngagore embego yebituma no bwoyo toja kwira ni mugondo ngabe kobisi chikaera ono ero soire nenda go so agwa kyusinga na yire debituma ngaka no chibesa tamaite sene yire chibesa one ri gete ko report obse batarachi gocha ebinte bina bigolire na ero chibesa na bigolire no birabu kineti no chirege ti chiringi no chire ebirogo no birega iga abalimu babwate bitabu abso garabacha baga achire school mama kanya abalimu bwate bagara chipencha nobody could assist them garabacha ngana ono babange akabarura kasangeli birogo guru staff room abe kropsi yae nkarangeli bulende ninje criminal jaga komboli ando bakameke mistake omogero yo mase team ya renga bob sister akatanga na kungataki anda akaba very emotional anda kondidikyo ngakira gakwana ngabanya gotenena ngatabyo mu education officer if this is what you came for njetindi ko ba umuntu yo no mogere. Why do you allow him to go attack? Because Yamumurum abo Romagan. You it is tribal, Jetimbu at anybody here, or go assist, I walk out of this meeting. Tago chole or call it then and Giagocha on them. You go much a fact finding. Mombo ring and kicker, Magosong a year, by a Talium Montono, and the Tabasakwana, one in Gobera. You must protect him. Akakira kiri basi so makama kuboli. Okay, mwalimu, we have had you. Want to tell you what happened about the school maze, because the information to bwate ne linga okwele debituma ye school serious oga kanwa my master tama tiwa sasa jiete na ne roma ne school what ganarate my master buna jita Tana go find out thing to me na kibire school. He doesn't know anything about it. That's a weird way. Mo bisimi it. Nne kembe kero. Nje na bisa amura na van. Pakabona toy bongro. He has never asked anything. Nje ndi in charge of agriculture. Nje na ireta bana mo wongo to smith kaligi mpego. Under the former head teacher. Ngabairo for the practicals. Chia agriculture. Karna called I must also make sure abana babere involved dimba manyetenga proceeds chiarwa mugondo na ichigochi ngichiachi kokora. So ebituma one mwalimu onto akrashi tinera sinjaro complaining na register ebituma under my name and akulende what could happen. Why was the mentioning of my death? I don't know. That is why we differed. Number two, mugondo na bwate my own plan nga toko harvest nkingo chikokora. I was not supposed to ask him ngingo kora. No. So diringo na kumotivate abana toko na kolema kama atakar mwalemire product moko gasabiye gachibaza chigocha mugo chibangira what gachibanga nindo na promise abana mupira de yana odoga skuru abana bagwatu yonsi mwanya mwacha mware fale bonet mwana chiringi chiratiana tipo jena go te vindo video spinande de new ngahorera abana mipira erema ngahorera abalimu abana basinje bakogenda alya ebitabu mbire tumisire reference textbooks kiro mwalimu agante ebi tukagora they have the books kesabuna na chitega iga otoko ikaransa chipenchi bake karato ku prepare karato kumaki bako montorosa. I decided to make sure biroge mu ikaransa mu SP nje nawe kwetera chivasi chatigarire ndegure mbego togocha kwira ni mugondo chivasi chikaya. I have what receipts to that effect. He has not asked me if he wanted to know. He has not even asked me in his compound. The man who is in charge of his compound. Kago itago this staff room was all me pira corner travel in a year with. So if he has not asked anything about them. It is only today na Nairobi Brucialia, Obi Bogoli Gocha, I think under whose permission because they don't belong to him. He doesn't know how they came in. Habagaseka. Okay. We have had you. Okay. Before we continue, can you go out? Naya, a certain say interview at the video fiscal risk was about him those books. About the and let's go at 1 hour and out of that is this is your senior. You don't go muster. I will take a moment out and Mungu Chulku and I was Diaco Venedet. I'm a human being. I cannot. That's why actually here connected by keeping quiet. Then I'm worried. Timoni Iraneri Kanga Bintemo Kwana Taibira. I could have either killed him or him killing me, and otherwise a different case here. Lakini, lucky that he didn't argue. He kept quiet. My emotions came down. So, and what you do to a time, I can't go around to the Nasoka. That they were back or reported in you see. E linko basomere binte byonzi obye binyomba biri byagagire maomo egete seeding teya kebo tikiya gagiro the next room ne class muina ne class kani tole mega abali mu wale birase batakarrata nanko era sebinte kongo soga konya raisi ko bago sagusa kana barabua ba chandegete batari ko kwana and about sabo ko wan wakachaga ko masomera ini kuba ko masomera nande to igwete mone karabanda ngere bagaji ko bleed nanjira ndenga I continue working you okay you have come I'm working but you must change lakini moyo no kanga muntu yo tengo karaga siner nande ko stay ga mono pakamba screws we transfer ga ngenda kuchiro bura senta tageti Galigia Galikali Ruba Yoku transfer Kelicho was now kissing out of those emotions. So a week in a Sobsia, Kamwali Rubelio, Akali Rasain, Gandan Galikovan, Galiago Kurkelchon Gatoma Nairobi, to transfer a nega. Barely after 2 months, you will cross over. Ndacha kusi. Kuna jago sieto nasema kama post edit school iranya nanka. Even no COG. Ona someti. Mpaka nga become head teacher.
There's no which year?
I came a transfer 19 Kurumate Galia. It was 1988 is when I crossed over on transfer to Kisii County, Kisii District then. Even when you mira yawe, nga changa we kushkuwe kurukuwe no COG. That's when we are 1992. Nga egu na bono over deputy again officially locally here.
Okay.
But through the interviews. alina ko just appointments yeah tukaba interviewed ngaba deputy ngaba transferred ko after 1 year ngana nyama wesidi alisina so meta primary
okay
ngaba onaro for about 2.5 years 2.5 years nkaruzi go nta applied interview tangasiri ngaba elevated ngaba promoted kwa wide teacher ngatomu to school ya Ruguru Kendo primary which had performed very very dismally ya siegete kisi mpaka province yengima so ngagenda no teacher. That was 1995 yes school radio 1996 which was the most improved school in the whole district. So I was given trophies. Because the people na get toiga a trophy na etwe ne egetugi school esi egete kievao egete kikiro ke school the last school in the province ngake school ngabangara ka baibo ni atemorochi ne sawadi to ko we must move from here to gabeka strategies ga kodara bali motivation na bana just awarding kenkenke na koragira amo nini abantu wada kolegas and the school was the most improved school you know I didn't stay long because in Ganyawara pettiness ye binyerogalia abantu bandi bakugang against the committee bara cholire bata kolete yabonge committee kwa yibe kiro mubuko ono bata ko committee go jago ko arm twist kandere batiembe mokoyo ona gashira ngarangi ku school atita matanga a pastor Abel Nyakundi I carried on the way back to Nairobi elementate after Nakuru accident tuko na my stepsister I died on the spot so I can ongorangi when I was at general meeting I walk away ngaganda ngatia na bachora niti kabagachora ndoke chairman na nini timu ili argo posi abaiga yargo tabanga yomba bege to mubuko wono mba komboli kende akanona ira nanga batabia okay ni mwacha oru congratulations so jage gashi konya naende miyamwa karo mwacha oru konya mwa tabanga ngitoba seli abana ko jikabaji korangilia baibo wono lero nda to koranga na inu ngaki tindu jigotoma mwana ko jikka ngandimo inumwe ke mwara buno muko rangilia baibo akanyaro ngo asinyire there is no way because yabana na ubarenge lirube liito to gutoma kujasa kera baibo bataracha tubwate meeting takere go chaka because there must be a quorum baibo imbaraja yo to alikurushia bane grasi metoa batomo ba mnyoka kabale ta baibo ma so grasi wana singe jaba na wale go oppose that anjenga decline ngatebanga mangana alimaro kwa na rango bwati wanda tmarango ngaki does it work but in the process nganyaranga now otoja kugenda kwa twist one another and then talk or kende and then to move anywhere so what did I do if I can see a token school kulianga bina ndere kuona school mwa konda rekutaya ga cho transfer mo deputy olengo rakaibo wa teacher ga kende. That was 1997 so they can go on for only 2 years actually this was the 3rd year when I moved out. Gabe school radio I also did very well. I was very hardworking. But then before this transfer, 1996, ngachorwa obomo assistant treasurer on that Kisii. Pero wucha yachite. So I became an assistant treasurer of KNUT, and I was heading there. So I'm moving at Liangavi. So many meetings and functions in represent teachers here and there. Can make an advantage in school. By 6 I'm in class in the morning. Now so me abana paka saine na soka. Na code my lessons just before the day. Na rego soka antara so mia abana. Na kora na agenda, you know. But you see, this was home. The school actually we contributed to this shamba. So what was it all about? Stories Mamurabali Avanda to a language school Navarabu Avanda succeeded in life. Vanda Vanja gave it in a Montotario Omia ni what nonsense. Lakini yange siasa. Mwaka Professor Ongeri is my uncle. Ngaki no alenge in politics. Nanyasha was in politics. They were enemies in politics. So my affiliation to Ongeri did not make my school members in the committee of management, but the supporters they were never comfortable with me. One of the imagining Nabagani Kenya Jawan to donate to Oja school to Kego Ojicha because they're against him. But I was telling them, school Teliane, school de Anja, school name. And we didn't imagine. Lakini, the school was performing. Supporters were wearing Makanya Chai, the school Jabon Jaringo perform Bakavan teacher. So I got very bitter. The school you want to you support Mogak. Nana performed. Nanda Karatoko and the Jisawadi, Injanda was here, Alian go receive Jisawadi Janja. No other was support. So it made many people not to be comfortable with me on that perspective. Like in Lende Ajagangadenga, I think I think motorico reason school tina tera the nongo to retire. And they last month on because Yereka. I say Mutanta Gitina Tigiri. I know where the master now Tigiri. Mutakarata Vana and Moveko. That you my deputy our colleagues. I want these people to learn and listen. 3 months, was Ogama, being the Navakola Negas, in British Bagosume Guru to end up to the Jinsiaga. Well, I think I jump a Jaja Korea. There was a school. The greatest school of deputy. And Vagajagan, one of deputy was in just a van and a gig and obviously Baba, my master. Then what and Montague. After that, I just Tavan and I tell you, was Sangango to end up by the teacher of Gankan. And I will note you. I talk really school. Now, the Mogul school, there was a cover local. I want to this school outside and preferably a town. So, Mwaka or Nyancha or Kavero, my teacher, Kisi Primary was in Kari. Nkaharus were younger being Kale to about Kisi Primary. That's why I had it. That was 2001 at the end. So, that's why Kisi Primary as a head teacher. As no more pettiness, the other was everything between the commiss. Lakinende, I transformed Kisi Primary within 1 year. Nyombe kuruku Umoja building as a family bank here Tanganyika bekire. Omonyeno musikio sorogo rubonchali ali arikuyagat. Kole manebira kitamara baku marikuruzi. He didn't have a dumping ground. Oh no. Na nje kana soda Kisi Primary nganyaranga emiguko ya irire birazi ya to ile bakaji foundation ejikora kanaga. So ngamwaji condition ngumadarinta then ko dumping ground. Mara wayon spinya takete ko yaro Kisi Primary. Again under one condition nelinga o yarani. To basa ko dambo bosa odere kwara. Mara bon pia karua se building area ga ati kuchinyaralia akabe Kisi Primary agatwike rwirasi konyora ya tengengire gaichura paka se dam ko secret bia round goita to kasbeko bunyansi Kisi Primary office kurumagega konyora abe ye migo kupaka maate so wall ya maate kabisa block ya maate kabisa oiswe to ibe kire Kenya mbaka igoro na gajite to hold amarabalia kasbeko bunyansi obuya kabisa. I did a laboratory, a library in Kisi Primary, Gaseti Library. I sought for donors in town. Post Bank gave me 50,000. Barclays gave me. Coca-Cola gave me. Got furnish the library. But that's normal. Choroje na go bribe ngange ugasi ndeos. Abantu bande ba high school wende batagetenga baye. Ngonyaro na rusi go transfer. No muntu konduzi mukaye no ngoso minera. Mudiyo rogoro pochien. Mukaye no mwalimone. Ontomero mwalimu na achiro obisi ya na mwakere ngambi ya mama sama. And please ukipata 2 more, we shall be very happy. Kanimuna ngo genda obisi yae aligeteri ruga. Ona no muntu to very very close ba konsabire mbego yechinsi yaga na amolete ile uchiro simeka uwa yakadongo. I'm a senior of his wife. He doesn't have any courtesy and respect. Only you want to na jiro obisi what he intends to do. Ngonyaro mo iyo kondangalia after na mwakere mbya muna poti mwalimu. It was on a holiday. Which was dozi on the diru on the transfer. Monto ya go transfer heteto wachikumukani akanga. The transfer is no more ngai liru. Akanga liru ngandi wako ofisi yae. What is this, my brother? Onale ngofisi yaoga. Why couldn't you tell him? Mane wajir content yamono. You no longer in that school. Nango korusindo. Zena kurusido. You say what? No. You need to satisfy me why. I've not stayed in this school. I've put my systems in place. Because this school and Kisi Primary, in front of the office, there is this peacock plant is there. This grass is there.
True.
This grass. True. I took it from my home to that place. We saw Kisi Primary, Amauga haya, Nasimekiro. Unaoso guru gitaiga on this side, and go kagatikati, there's a corridor, going to the building Sirero. Karosti ground bunechi, kabeke mete, karosti pathwalks, abana bagweta, saji the take Ravako, the Rago prepare for examinations. By go to Vaso Ama, very like CBD, Bakuna Kuriva is under mete. Tension near in them, Yakavisa. The ground is nice. What my projection? I got Robin Kisi Primary, the gate on the right side of Nova Soil. Iya Magri was about classes. Like Karanzana building, no, we are not going to have classes there. If you talk to make a business complex here school, it will generate money to the school. Because that was the time President Kibaki Asoto introduced free primary education. Like there were so many things. Korani school jita the chivers. Wagaitaba. So with time na Recormenio, we wanted to do a block, a wall behind the building. It disassociated the building from the school. Inkira kuruwe para alionsi piku chuma ndugu tutaguru baguru speaker to beke mirangu nini toros chesteas again they go around to comboy. A school could raise, it could be raising then not less 50,000 every month. Kangaboni get to date one way. The school could be raising over $500,000 monthly from that structure. So the Jibas Chiro, Wagacha the buildings in Motago Leviras, you know, Mogolin on a Bastia school, Mobile your computer systems in the school, mobile printed your own exams and everything. Abana bakora kirengento, you move. Chitua muwada chibeza, mugweke galiena maguta, mwaira abana study tours outside. But you see, this kind of dream you have, it is never in other people. So, I got Mondo insisting I must go. I told him it's okay. But I'm not going. Because what you wanted, and obviously what you wanted is money from me, but I can't give you even a coin. The school will pack a mokao, Indian Gomorrah, dear child. School will see my very one. At times, I was a good child, but this is the way you want to treat me? Fine. I don't want, because you don't qualify over my boss. And Rojana, what one I told the problem, Navaga. No, you don't know what you cause the problem. No matter what master we are kind of cow, Motaget. I just sent Otagetang and I want to go again. I think you want to take what the corrupted the collato, and I leave you on that quiet chairs or Muiro. As I could over deputy, or you know, I call you some more deputy now, so you are with you want to pave the way for you, can you a lot of money from all these sources. No, matter where. Gaso secretary I must have full cabinet copen and get an secretary Gali Robo 2 sentences. Work at a TSC, Biamono Sana, so Onega CA, now quarter for a Miyake with a lot of commitment and determination. For reasons Modio Amani Tenanche, Tiro where the teacher was a girl. The core and Maruai. Ganyagwata kantekera sanga ikarasaga kwana yaro kwana ko nyebereria no bibia ko ranga mute wakore that is what I meant. I'm not reversing. Wewe fanya kazi na wale watu na treat the way you want. So I quit headship from Kisi Primary. Mega Shuanga Kisi Primary School that I headed and then I got a vision for was the largest primary public school in both Kisi and the Nyamira County. Togo is a bigger school, it is a tiny school here. It does not make sense to me. But there are no call Ramangana ahead you. So nga call it all. Ngaruo, and an assistant teacher, Kari Primary School. Kari Primary School had just started. It was in class 3.
That's not 2000.
That was 2004 January. You know, Kari Station. Obo room which you obviously chin koro kwenye robeli akadi taragaju na bibi abete classes aka obviously tandi koba a class kiabana. So later ekagachu mate ga tokangane koro to aja Kari Primary now, and because I also had a vision, I had a very good head teacher understanding, Mr. James Indubi. Na bali walingo tukabugatirana. You know, and my idea say I would consider, but I was cautioning them. I'm not talking as a head teacher, as a teacher. We do this, we can, you know, we put our heads together. Kisi kamba scenario ya rotangana in performance. Toka yibua kuruelio to date. From 2000 and around 9, we took the mantle of leadership as public schools just been in town and actually in the larger Kisi area. So Kari to Kaiveke Foundation in the Yasan Pakavnere. So now you guys see your word Nengia and then lakini Karole determined kwa yakora kora bana baba antobia. The little money chiro inchi cover little. It is big money. Because in my family, God saved us. I have 2 sons, 2 daughters. Out of this little money, as a primary school teacher, you know, because of the blessings, no kara tu abeta in kari tu adavidia walimu Lucia bana ba no boarding baleta we can perform so togo ikaransa aria osomeri omwana class ime ojo no le class kwale kogenda togenda we could tell teachers one on the face ya walimu paka wana kiro mwalimu akabaiga kiro anda kira walimu nga school ya perform kyo ko waste a lot of money in the boarding iba ubwana to kutumia chiwa se chibintu binde byao baka withdraw bana ba wonse baka baleta so you are teaching my kid, I'm teaching you as in the other class so everybody are determined the school performed to date so those blessings chiavana babantu bawe tabago succeed abayibuli bakuyana mu abakonyera tabana those are good so my kids finished their schools nice so my last born graduated when I was 53 years old so my fear I had near 55 which was on me so at the 55 now Dakana tilikuwa miaka ya Kibaki but I was being very motivated no mugaka twara John Egara omonyene Kisi Hotel then Kisi Hotel was as a Naivas hyper airborne iga so mwako ulikuwa rukogenda kwanyora metebu ne yembegeta no ikaranste na bakaka bande ne kigasete buje bakuna basoma bakunywira ngori bali biya baguita their stories litukuli era morogo baga nanja yagumanya when I grow old I think I would like to live this life so ngataka we prepare for my retirement upon retirement nguchia so I was the first owner year shop Magutaga kuruku Gulf Energy etakulinga dinkurukuruka nichego cha sara open abasani baitwanya oranire onekero bagweta iga bankwanya kachakire duke while I was there is when I acquired this area here this I have not bought this land this land is on lease I leased it kuna someone nkore bintu bya nenga kilindo in my own thinking na go take out the risks but I go money me they get permanent or they are not getting permanent so you don't mind about it when that time comes of me moving out we will sort it out but for now let me do what this is service to community I'm only holding this abantu bakora meeting iga talichiane yes lakini na babekere facility bakuba comfortable bakora avec une facilité ngoragalia bantenchara yali mondo rero akoraraga mondo tagete kugorali toko Rusia wira Nairobi so gachake gente kero bunyansi bwana bwaba mauga beire gachakira matoka ali by the way anijisi akachoka cyane ko mugondo yo mugimba umuntu akombwete cyombe gizi ku manage amina akazi ku manage cyombe cyaye ono cyombe gigakwa akatika one kana hapo ile na tekera kitaki tukura jinsi ya gajonsi pia hata abantu bakabose bitugi biri jinsi ya gajonsi pia ono ngomatenga nkuchakanda no hotel limanye tima eti hotel
that is which year now
that was 2017 January gatera ngusimeka matoka haya engotengiza byo 500 abongo nyorebeza naka n'umuntu w'ikikumi kare go cyake biashara ahura nyole challenge yero ngwe tubwadie enough money capital ukona wa general workers upikili but I don't have this money how will I sustain them kaba bantu bamanyire ngatwegire gentoga ngabeke bitera biri 140 iwa ina matoke na simekire 140 nga imagine ngako kongosi ako ros chimbande at least every month na bango yanga nimbo ata matoka nge 100 akongire nkone at 500 each that is 50,000 shillings 50,000 yawanta na babatano na baka ne na jiba 10 imba sustain it another month the same nganganyire the business because we pick up so matoka kachaka kwama na mangungu chaka business timanye tivinti mbeke manager na bawe siku manager baka inchoma nenda maidingia over so there is no need Ngaka my maths will say, is it viable and economically for me to continue working? Because you go operate 22 kilometers Kuruliangabi, mpaka Kisii town, every day and back. Good drive. Miaka yonse na abireta Kisii town, I never took a rental house. Uzana ujiko nanyara, binyomba, biende jishanti, you know, na takete unoccupied chiricha municipality na Kisii County Council. Ngasi nyuko nyora. Ase ngwe kolege itaki anazo ya compound una buone. Na ujiko menye randi ngwe oye towel kuchie bathroom ya. Mambo ato muchumu yangu operate kuka. Chiba sitiringo kombare nyomba beke galiana makuta na chire gachi. Actually when na chire Kisii town 2001, it is when I bought my first car for purposes your work community. I bought a pickup 1200. So one ile kana jake kuliso nga kingo kora na juwake sabu ya nga kei ombo ati loan bona chunde tax binte binge ama kanyoro mushahara ang 30,000 choka cash net every month ongo fueli galian every day to and back from this salary take my lunch from this salary chia hera chos bitingo tigali mbata kende na nne njigo isana should I really continue working like this? No. Ndatiki kasi bono iga. Tinko nyora my pension yetani 30,000. Na ndenda ile toro. Kitari kubeka gali makuta. Ndari gocha kule ranchia. Ngobeke gali makuta na jwakale bintu bire byani. Na nyali chibweli. Gali ruwe immediately to tears in what I do. Please, early retirement I go home. But I accept. So I took my early retirement 2018. Okay. I came. 2019 October, I opened this place. This is when I started the business. The following year, COVID challenge. Issue. Lakini gaga ndugia nkonyete. Social distancing ira rakopimira abantu nini teyo. Orojo kubeke mesa ya uchialia, oikaranso no muntu otagete. Oikaranso uchialia, gabeka those cottages yali. Oja ne family yao, you are there. So you don't sit with the strangers. Yeah? Abantu kajaga korasa, abantu kajaga. Ile COVID ya chete business vile low. Injebona I made booming business kurosa matokan. Matokan kubeka gali chigali chera Nairobi. Chena nya chibesa. Nonto wadigas yana wakana bakaliwa negas jina na korde vintegian. So far.
So that's why you call it banana resort.
Banana, I started with the bananas. As I go to Nyosia, I can't go to the business. I started looking for the name. When I went to Kisii Hotel, Kisii what? Yeah, Keumbu what? No, Kigati, when you're Montana Kigati Hotel. No, in Jenga there were no. Usine no ni na matoke. Na ina asimi kila matoke. Na kitura akore toni brand yito ya usi in agriculture. So because the next to Keumbu nenda sa matoka go toka mangi. Na buwa nega na achaki era matoke. Let me call this place Banana Resort. Yes.
All right.
That's why I landed at that name.
Yeah. Okay. This is an amazing story, amazing journey kabisa unakuwa tayari.
Yeah.
Wanikerutu kukodra a few around 3 or 4 questions chukukora. Timeti mnakuwa tayari gocha mpaka leo now you are manning this facility Banana Resort. What are some of the qualities, either 3 or 4, or are most important for a leader?
Okay, one, to be a leader, you must listen. Because talk of a leader, a leader, you could give direction to people.
Yes.
And to be a good role model. Can I get college to a as a teacher, when you go out, you must look like a teacher. You must create a difference between you and the members of the community. The way you walk, the way you dress, the way your dog looks like, the way your wife looks. If you are smart, your wife must be smart. Toko kenda a village na ya wono romo to the most informed. Abantu banda basimeke bituma bitabu ati uwoyo bya bastant bi kachibuti sato bya somolario. Na ya na bo kora no. You must create a difference abantu banda bakwe melete. No ngombe yao. Make sure tibu ati binera. And while I was there at Sokoto, the surroundings of Sokoto, that is Alliance Boys, Alliance Girls, Musa Gitau Academy, the hospital, Macho, that's where it is. Sali wa iko ba smilete kayabas. Chiko ba trimmed nicely buna mauga yale. So I copied this. I wanted to create myself as that role model of this kind of situation. So ngajanga simika chikayaba buone. 1984 ntarabeke nyumba. Na bolto mungaga ngaikwa gachaga ngoroke. Kasimika chikayaba. I started my building yokomenyaka. Nanchi komenya bune na kometia bande ndojo medical Nairobi. 1987. I get the foundation in nyumba mete to date. So I've done this thing from that time, and it has created a big difference in my life.
Right.
One, copying the right thing that is positive can affect you positively and others.
Right.
Doing the right thing, like for example, in from 1990, continuously, I have milk. Because my father knew agricultural thing, I copied what he used to do. That's why it's clearly, the bananas, the onions, skuma, all this kind of stuff. So, and when you are a leader, one thing is, my mode of dress all the years I've been ever smart. No go on the other go to another. One of Guminga get and the Ruta Nakobega, no, the people I've never seen you in that.
Yes.
You see? So, to be a good leader is do things the right way.
Right.
Listen to people. Softly, you start softly. Poor warnings, but you be strict, fairly strict and firm.
Right.
They're gonna go bend. And I recommend you must be a role model. At times I surprise them. I'm here before they come. After be a watchman, Yaba background no numero. Namatavi, Beredia match. Obedi. Naikaransa at a good position. Watch it to Navanto, watch it and going to communicate. And you don't talk to them. Which I can remember when you're around to change it. Because in rock chorus. About to bind a rock and Okarama also always go raise your bloody hormone or cook one. You are very told your squat to come Cavia, Somali Ruby, come with 12 Kavi. Niseko Tokana, Corriere, Keneke. Then, Egasiane, Nave Quairo. We are committed to sign it. A Carago Jaquena Magosa. I go boarding Guacore, and when you're a goal, when you're saying yes. Okay, thank you so much. And idea, which was a charity, whatever, Rosa de Weber say, I will say, so to take it say. Lakini most importantly, abana baitaba usiabange, they are very difficult. Mbali konyara kugambika. Na ende mbamanyiti. Chika asio chichire. It's a lot of jobs in this country. And I'm going to leadership here saying jobs are not there. A lot of jobs. Those jobs are not there. oko monte gazi utiringa tatagiti umode bikora gukia akora gukia monte na tatagazi abana bandi bari institution chito higher learning unabona hospitality industry, they come from colleges bachicha, they are here ono juko ba everything they are talk living to they don't do things, they are doing even to contrary. They are totally indisciplined. Inche biranye bana ba children's right na kyango itugora so kata kurobisi nalina na abunite biranye bya lengo na daga ibinde to imitate bisiko gari, they will destroy us. And for sure ngoro jaba ishiba ukani kuna bible Gen Z nataka so kujipara umwibuli ukani umwana asomiri akanire fisi umwana bwanga ko motera mo devinga wewe you don't understand nyoko doesn't understand na nera osomiri ngaki umushu mnyoka gali oli amasasi bono who doesn't understand because of indiscipline. We have a long way to go. So but yet when they go show direction now, many of them are not there. They don't care. They are doing their own things. You know, internet. You know, they don't. Around class 7 to form 2. By 6 in the morning, nkogenda chikiro mitainye na abugie kengere chiduka kweta abagaka bakasoka na marangeti ga nesuguri abegera mabere bangebe na ira ni ndo nkana mago che school mwana kiongo mondo kibono ra ogotoma na toma maranga hotel neli keta mabere minyokyo kyo oira ne ochoge omoibori agotigo mwana oreire nero gwesomba omoro serie chai igara ire nero mobisa omutiga gagu okoba mabera ayo oire na gocha omwana otakere kunyone chai tana kubuka anyu agende school ganyoli on what role model do you give to your own kid? So leadership is a challenge now because of the society itself. We break down nero raso kugambira bantaba bakugambiru. So unless otherwise, because other people say it is their rights, we banga or yoga it's your right, then I got the right. So we break so it must be vice versa, and everything moves on well. So yeah,
okay. So, Karoko, reflect back your journey back on. Do you have any regret?
No. So far, I thank God. Because all my dreams have been achieved. All my dreams have been achieved. I don't want to say everything that I'm doing and aware, but all my dreams are achieved and I'm contented. In this world, you don't need to make so much money. No. Are you able to eat what you want to eat? Are you able to move from point A to B? It doesn't matter whether you're riding a motorbike or what. Are you comfortable? Ndenyora kisumu to code dinga for the korara, comfortably, nakane and then dagere and the man be I come. That's what one is. And you pray to God that you are not sick, irrespective of us having the insurance, SHA and other things for protection. But you only pray that you don't become sick. The insurance cover. So that is all. These other things here don't matter in life. No, we president na inchega. Ngonya enda ya ne kolia nko kenusu na ye president is the same. You can't eat 2 chicken in a meal because you have a billion. You make a billion in a day. No, the bed you sleep is the same size I sleep. You see, the only difference could be your room, hall, maybe your bedroom. But it doesn't make much sense. Do I have a shelter? And they go feeling comfortable. And I'm able to move. And I'm able to eat. And I'm in good health. That is all.
Okay.
So I've achieved all those and I'm very comfortable on that. Yes.
All right. Second, lastly, your typical day, litukulia kawaida ngaki recover from waking up to
you know, as a teacher, let me tell you, I taught for about 38 years as a teacher. you can see, I started teaching 1980 January. I quit 2018. Actually, yeah. Including the years I went to college, I was coming out and teaching practice. I was a teacher. So about 39 years in teaching, there's no day I came to school late. I was ever punctual. You know, lakini after saa moja, it never tevedi. I could not condone anybody. No. Huh? What I didn't want, because I was ever on duty, whether I'm a duty teacher, was a class teacher. No. Makosa yung mwanda. It is, you know, a responsibility as a leader, as a teacher, to correct every mistake where you erred. So I could wake up very early. At times, when I'm your breakfast, wasting 10-15 minutes, I will be late. I don't take that tea. Your breakfast mean I watch apple. Yes. So my history was waking up very, very, very early at the time, and you know, a lot of work could be done. Teachers preparing, marking at even night in your place, you don't sleep. But now I'm here. At times I take off late because I told my friends. Right. I won't keep the purpose for which I take. Lakini one miaka mneko na kwa nyoranga usikurara mapema kitorochi kwa saa 8 saa 9 tuwe toro wano kuna go build castle sitayo wakajisabu wajirusabu terigocha. So I've trained myself chinza nkurara ni chinza nguchikubuka at enough time. Kabon kurara and I can wake up as early. By the way, let me tell you, umabiroyo you were trained. Nindara saa 10 na boki chitoro chere. Paka yani paka pa instinct tinto genga na agoro kire kurbole. Then anamanya ko get back. Yes. You relax. Na hand over to robo manya go watch. No so kubu achire. Arawone miake ya stegre. Tinta dio montan turima binga ene mechando ya chaguntura. Mongno na manya tenga. On koboka tali onguturu. Yes. Ngonya guntagete unga nyemboke. Tako kote bioje guntura. No. Yes. Nama edenga I don't want it. Oni ndaire. Yara eteiga. Ara ete tesingonyo no monto stoskaine. Arolenga nindaire gosina abokire. Okonyora ninyi gwete. Ndoche byega ante ebwega na naleba nara dimezo semwate abaditi nchebuye kasenye njibona bukira nyole nimbogete manye kwebanga ngoranga na kingurule. All right. Lakini anybody ngo senda ira toraja no igyo togwetana o yune arobata mashauri haya atwale the patience o start wara because umubiro yananje wikanyo training ake cheza jinda to timoke kabisa chekire. But you see, I don't have the constant that I must. All right. Ndire in this business is challenging. Yeah. Okonyo waranga wake wesi me very early in the morning. Waseno mheshimiwa utaketo kutuale meeting ya yata planet mapema. Ote unga by sambiri otolebu unga ki ntonya wetu abangiru. Na chaka coordinate. One by the time ngo coordinate my workers, rojina abokirepi. So yeah, make sure lending satisfy these people. Namanda na warumbalinga where we prepare. Let me see na wala nyodo ndetabo getibya. I can add manpower facilitate function ya raboronge. All right. Yes.
Lastly kwa kolele binte binga yobada ni industry as career goika bono timeti. Do you have any specific thing or this is what I would want to be remembered for?
Obviously, this one.
Banana resort.
Even if this banana ceases to be there today,
Yes.
the whole world, it is online.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
It's it is I said the social media.
Yeah.
Banana is there. Physically, Banana is here. You guys are here. You are going to put this thing on media.
Correct.
This is Banana. Many people have conducted functions here. You know, I find calls. Am I talking to somebody in Banana? Yes. Asinaro Montara Nanger Kum Nairobi Nepin Tamanyeti. Lakini gaya online in Kisi.
Yes.
There is a Banana resort. This is one of them. Two, I did my work very well as a teacher.
Right.
Avana was benefited from. Avana was good on Nekiboko. Na wako ngore ndagira. Ago chaga ya. Okonyoran karastana banto. Tago to kwani takando to men. Avana kwa kana wagia. Achioro le kiba bakulia. Obage. Anora jibidi chine meseri ya ochonzi. Onde etere. Wana kere gwite ko wana ki oyogo sabe bindega jingo mate biacha. Ogo oja banya tumu manyiti. Oko inyori no mate no mwalimu ono. Mwaso mete asegete. Na yogere tende kinde. What. So I'm being remembered for what I did to society. So wana so meti wherever they are, because I did a good job, they remember me.
Right.
Apa ibu na kwanyira tabana boka banyene ngo otokumirana abana bange tokumirana ne supermarket hago ndren na no ma da tingo ma na nche kwa so media sekete ke na yori na mo hagi, you know, na feel nice again for being remembered, because whenever I go so on TV in Inter one monto kindo ero monto monen, you know, you feel excited that you can be remembered for this way.
Sure.
Because I can remember there's a day now at GT supermarket. Now I go to Revi on the queue. You know, kuna kurma. You know, wanafunzi. Kiangi nyoli nga ke. Tokoso libu ke. Ekirera ini bintu ekirega alenta tokoso ke wala tendu sia basa. Oh, tenga teacher no. I will pay. You know, that is being remembered of what you've done. So, I think wherever you are at any other given time, you don't do it so that or you work koreravia achako koreravia. Allah ninga koreravia biya. Nera achako koreravande biya. That history continues. But again, you know, out of it, you will make people do good things elsewhere. Now, when you want to make it, now we visit Nairobi, Kadasana, or Urbag, on your walkway, Urbag, Nairobi, Okoganda, at your house. There are good stairs when you was making. I brought it in Gasimakabu and Enka. Gachankaburusion Kaboleta. Do you know how many people have taken this grass from here? And for free. I don't charge them. So many. That is why in Sinyaja, Nakabuto na tigete. One wugona koranda gucho, Umonto takete, Ojijanama de Ringa, Ayangusa, Rusa Rusi Cholichunichi again. So all these people who have taken this, they know when Omoranga banana.
Yes.
People will take the same grass from their homes, liking it when it is trimmed nicely like this to the others. It will continue generations. That where did you get banana? Who's there? Oh, I'm being remembered.
Yes.
Whether we shall be there or not. Yes.
Amazing.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Director.
Yeah.
Yes. And we wish you well.
Brian, let me thank you so much.
Yeah. On
behalf of Funa station, I appreciate you so much. As I spare time, I go to Korai some pit from me. And I think it's a good thing to note. Yeah. And anybody who is serious as a note, at least it's not a job in futile. On behalf of your management, tell them I appreciate. And I did them. One time you're free, you guys come here for an event. Yeah, I'll cook bananas for you guys.
Very true.
Yeah?
Sure.
Because that's our trademark.
Yes.
Bananas. They're there physically, and you need to test them with your team.
All right.
You more kid. How do the bananas here taste? Yes.
We'll definitely come.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Asante sana. Be blessed.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah. Okay.